Have you ever thought about becoming a project manager, but don't think you have the right experience? Project management can sometimes feel like a locked door that needs a special key. But here's the secret: you might already have that key. The career you have been wanting might actually be the one you have been building this whole time, at work, at home, and through volunteering. And you might not even know about it. Seriously, just think about that for a second. In this video, I'll show you the smart two-step method to help kickstart your project management career today. Hi, I'm PM Professor. I have spent 30 years managing large projects for Fortune 500 companies, and I help people just like you break into project management. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Well, step 1 is all about building the foundation. But it's also about learning the smart way, not the hard way. This brings us to a powerful idea: the Pareto principle. You've probably heard of it as the 80-20 rule. When you apply it to learning, it's amazing. The whole idea is that you can get about 80% of your skill proficiency by mastering just 20% of the core concepts. So, it's not about learning everything, it's about learning the right things first. And honestly, this is a huge mental shift. To make real fast progress, you must fight that urge to learn everything all at once. The goal here is to find and totally master the critical 20% of the knowledge first. Think of it like building the launch pad before you try to send the rocket up. Okay, so how do you make that knowledge stick? Well, there are two super powerful techniques. One, learning by doing. Apply something new to a real task right away. And second, visualization. If you can't apply it in real life just yet, visualize it. Seriously, mentally walk through the steps of using that skill. Don't just read about something because that'll make your brain go to sleep. Go apply to a real task right away. Your brain is an incredible simulator. So once you got that smart learning method down, you get to the real game changer, which is step 2. So, in step 2, this is where you learn to projectize your life experience. And yes, that's a real word for our purposes today. But first things first, before we can projectize your life, we need to understand what a PM does and what a project is. According to the Project Management Institute, or PMI, a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Now, you have got to pay close attention to those two words: temporary, meaning it has a clear start and end, and unique. But that definition sounds a little formal, doesn't it? So, let's ask a much more useful question: what does a project actually look like in everyday life? It looks a lot like this. Remember that office move you helped coordinate a while back? Yep, that was a project. Planning that company seminar, that was a project too. Even doing a big home renovation is a perfect example. They all have a specific goal, a timeline, and a unique result. This is usually the moment when the light bulb goes off for a lot of people. And this leads us to the most important action you can take. You need to actively projectize your life. Literally, go back through your work history, your home life, even your volunteer gigs, and find all the things you have done that fit the definition of a project. You're basically translating your life into the language of business by looking at your hidden project portfolio. So, how do you document them? It's simple. You use these four fundamental building blocks. First, define the scope. What was the actual goal? Then the timeline. When did it start and when did it end? Third, resources. Who and what did you have to work with? And finally, the deliverables. What was the specific tangible thing you created or achieved? Okay, so you've learned the core concepts and you've gone back and documented all this hidden project experience. What's the final piece of the puzzle? Well, it's landing the force role, of course. And the trick here is to be strategic about it. You want to target roles like project coordinator or associate project manager. So let's just bring it all home. The path is actually pretty clear. It's really just has three steps. Number one, learn the core concepts the smart way using the 80/20 rule. Two, projectize your life experience, translating it into language recruiters understand. And three, apply for the right entry level roles where the brand new reframed experience of yours can really shine. And that really brings us to our final thought, which is more of a call to action for you. The only thing left is that take that leap and launch your career into the project management field.